My wife and I decided to head west and take our chances against the afternoon monsoon. We went out in search of petroglyphs which we collect in photo and video format. I have been researching an area I have wanted to explore, so we dragged out the Spyder and headed across Dry Creek Basin. We located our sixth set of petroglyphs and had a fantastic afternoon collecting them for your viewing. Have fun and enjoy the slideshow. Real-time video will be in production overnight. Thanks and peace to you and yours. The parking area where we parked our Spyder was no more than 75 yards from the petroglyph panel. The site appears to have been more maintained in the past, but it was easy to find, and easy to visit. I would rate the hiking as very easy. Concentrate on the dark desert varnish in the center of the screen and you will see anamorphs take place. The carved names on the wall are not graffiti, these are known as cowboy glyphs as they are the marking of the cowboys who settled the area. These were dated 1914. Sherry and I really hope you enjoy viewing the video as much as we enjoyed writing out and capturing it on image and video for you. We sincerely encourage our fellow riders to explore their local settings, and spend some time just taking a path not traveled. It's amazing what you can find. Thanks for watching, and have a safe weekend.